Hello my friends, alright, let's see if you got this right. So what did we have to do? Well, the first natural step was to go to our data preprocessing template to grab all the essential tools which are indeed, well, the first steps of the data preprocessing phase. So let's do this. That's the first thing you were supposed to do. So I'm copying this cell and then I'm pasting it right here in a new code cell for importing the libraries. There we go, first step done. Now, to import the dataset, well, same, let's go to our data preprocessing template, which indeed is meant for us to be efficient. So I'm copying this and then we'll see what we have to replace. But once again, it is supposed to help you so that you don't have to do much. All right, so just pasted it. And let's do, just this for the last step of the data preprocessing phase, in any situation, regardless of whether or not is needed feature scaling. All right, so let's take that cell here and let's copy that right here in a new code cell. All right, so that's the first essential steps, which happen most of the time when building a machine learning model. All right, so now next step, what do we have to change inside this data preprocessing phase? Well, let's take it step by step. First step, of course, we don't have anything to change. Now let's see second step. Well, there you go. Of course, here we have to change the name of the dataset. It is not data.csv, but it is now social network ads.csv. So let's do this. Let's just replace this. That was what you had to do next. Social network underscore ads.csv. And now, next question. Do we have to change anything here? Well, of course, the answer is no. No, because this data preprocessing template was meant for you to not have to change anything in most situations, as long as, of course, you make sure that in your dataset, you have the features in the first columns, these are the two features here, and the dependent variable in the last column. And since this automatically selects all the columns except the last one, and this automatically selects the last column, and this of course regardless of the number of features you have in your dataset, well, there you go. This will simply select the age and the salary in the matrix of features, and this line will simply select, well, the dependent variable in a nice 1D vector. All right, so there you go. That was the reason why I said it was so easy. You only had to change the name of the dataset here, social network ads.csv. Okay, and actually speaking of the dataset, now that we have the code to import it, well, let's not forget to upload it in the notebook, because in this same tutorial we will actually run these first cells. But before, let's make sure to finish implementing them. So here we're connecting to a runtime to enable file browsing, and in a second, there you go, we should have the upload button. So now we're going to click it to find our whole machine learning A to Z folder, and we're going to go inside. Then we're going to go to part 3 classification, then section 14 logistic regression, Python, and we're going to select our social network ads dataset. It is exactly the same with, of course, the age here, the estimated salary, and the purchase columns. There we go. Let's click open. It is going to upload it in our notebook, as we can see here. There you go. Perfect, we have it. So now we're ready to import it. But first, I want to finish the implementation of this data preprocessing phase. So let's move on here to the next step, splitting the dataset into the training set and test set. And here, do we have anything to change? Well, there you go again. Of course, no, it is not compulsory to change anything here. This will automatically create your training set and the test set out of the whole dataset, the whole dataset composed of the matrix of features X and the dependent variable vector Y. We're going to do some print, right, to show you everything, because then, the next step is to apply feature scaling. And before we get to this, well, I just would like to change something here, but again, that was absolutely not necessary. You could totally leave it like that, but I just want to change the test size, because since actually we have 400 observations in total, we have 400 customers in this dataset. Well, if we choose a test size of 0.25, it will be nice, because we will have actually 300 customers in the training set and 100 customers in the test set, right? We will have nice round numbers. So just exceptionally here, I usually recommend indeed 0.2 as a test size, but 0.25 is actually totally fine. we will have a nice training set of 300 customers and one nice test set of 100 customers. So there you go. Now we can move on to the next step, feature scaling. Okay? All right, so how are we going to implement feature scaling here? Well, there's nothing more simple thanks to our data preprocessing toolkit, which I've prepared here. And if you haven't, well, grab it in part 1, data preprocessing. And now in our toolkit, we're going to scroll down to the bottom to find that feature scaling tool, which is actually the last one. All right, here it is. That's feature scaling. So here we go. Let's grab it. You just have to grab the first cell implementing the tool. Now let's go back to our logistic regression implementation. Let's create a new code cell here for feature scaling and let's paste it right inside.